Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many gamers face, deleting their Zenless Zone Zero account on mobile. If you are looking to start a fresh or simply remove your account, this video is for you. First, let's clarify the Zenless Zone Zero doesn't allow you to delete your account directly. However, you can effectively start by creating a new account. To do this, you will need a new email address for each new account you want to create. This is because you cannot reset or delete existing data associated with your current account. If you want to move your current account to another devices, you can easily do so by logging in with the same email address on new devices. This way you can access your existing progress across different devices. That's it for today's video. Unfortunately, you cannot delete Zenless Zero account. By creating a new one is a straightforward process. If you want to re-roll to start fresh, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving content.